This video is going to show you how to add a tool that will help you organize links for your lessons. I just wanted to point out I've added a kind of a number for you to check. If you have not begun inputting a lot of information into your spreadsheet, then it's going to just be easiest for you to go and download the newest version, which is currently version 2.1. Anything 2.1 or later will have this links tool already there. Now, if you have downloaded a version already and you've already put a lot of time into it and you don't want to have to redo all of that, I get it. So I'm going to show you how to add the links tool to your spreadsheet that you already have going on. This is what the links can do. I have links for the week here. It's going to just create this page that has links for the week. Peter will need to access these links on Monday, et cetera, et cetera. Susan's are here for Tuesday and Thursday and Friday. These are all the links you'll need for the week. So it's not something I would print, but it's nice to be able to access this on your iPad or computer or wherever it is that you're accessing links. So how do we get this tool? So what you're going to need to do is copy from the master. You're going to need to make your own copy, as you always need to. So you're going to go get the newest version, the version 2.1. And so I might want to call this 2.1 just so I know what copy I have. And that will be my very own copy that I can edit and use as I would like to. Okay, so that takes a minute to load, but once it's there, what we're going to want to do is first copy this links page. Now, if you're in the Alviary version, then this is where you can input your links. So if I wanted to, I would choose a lesson that I've already put, so say science or whatever lessons you've already put in, and then you could put your links for each lesson here, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, et cetera, et cetera. If you're using the Alviary, then the Alviary's links are already, they're way down here. You shouldn't need to access them, just leave them be. They're already there. If you're not using the Alviary, ignore that part. So what we need to do is copy this to an existing spreadsheet. You're going to copy it to your very own spreadsheet. So I'm copying it for a family right now to this spreadsheet for them. So I'm going to select that one and it's going to copy it over. So each time you copy a spreadsheet from the master onto your own, it's going to say copied successfully. You can open that spreadsheet. Well, I already had it open, but it will be here at the end and we need to rename it. We want to always take away that copy of. It's going to mess with our formulas if we leave that there. So we're just going to call this one links, and then you can place it where you would like in this lineup. I probably want it right after I enter my lesson plans. So you would want to put it somewhere over here. You enroll in your lessons, you write out your lesson plans, and then you'll write out the links. So she could go and choose now for sewing. Maybe she wants to input a link for these lessons that she has put here. Okay, and then you need to go copy the next one, which is going to be probably hidden on the master. We need to copy over master links. And this is just full of formulas. It's red, which means you should not do anything to it except for copy it to your existing spreadsheet. It appears blank now because this is in the master and there's nothing programmed in it. But if you have already scheduled your students, then when you see it appear in your spreadsheet, which it will be way down at the end, it should populate some data. I'm going to rename this. I want to take off that copy of and the space, have it just called master links. Okay, so here are, you don't need to worry about this, is just all coding, but these are links that your students might have through. And just don't touch any of it. It's red. Just leave it alone. In fact, you can just go ahead and hide it now. And then go back. And the last thing that you want to copy is links for the week. So this is the one that's going to pull it all together to where you can see it. So I'm going to copy this to my existing spreadsheet. Okay, and that will be down here at the end. Again, rename and take off the copy of. And so these are the links that you will need, that this family will need for this week for their lessons. And so they pull in, and you can have up to 3 links per lesson. And you can move this down to where, probably right here. So each week you'll be going into currently studying and changing what week you're on. Let's say that she's gone ahead and gone to week 4 now, and you can see which links will be for week 4. And there's Lauren's lessons, Lily's lessons, and together lessons all ready for you to print and go. I'll be doing another quick video on how to handle the Alvari's high school lessons. So hop over to that video if you would like to see it.